Hi, I'm Dave from Alpha Power Cleaners, and today I'm going to show you how to empty the dirty water tank. We open the lid. This will show us the machine is full of dirty water. There's also a catch tray in there that catches any small debris. This should be emptied quite regular. There is a cage filter inside with some ping pong balls inside. These will raise once the tank is starting to fill with water, and then the vac motor will change pitch. Some machines have a nodding donkey electric sensor inside, and this will cut off the machine once it is full. It is important to drain the dirty water tank and clean it out thoroughly between each use. Every time you fill it up with clean water, empty the dirty water and rinse it out.